to the melody. Think of a bedtime song or a fun cartoon theme. Soft and warm tone, gentle strumming. In a cozy town where flowers grow, lived a cat with a heart aglow. Milo loved to bake all day, cooking love in every way. One cold morning, knock, 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 a bunny stood there in a fuzzy frock. Milo, I'm hungry, my tummy's bare. Milo smiled, don't worry, I care. Had a minute, happy and bouncy, easy for kids to sing along. A bunny stood there in a fuzzy frock. Milo, I'm hungry, my tummy's bare. Milo smiled, don't worry, I care. Had a minute, happy and bouncy, easy for kids to sing along. A bunny stood there in a fuzzy frock, a gift from friends and God above. Warm and tasty, full of cheer, the best of meals when friends are near. He found some carrots, fresh and sweet, with soft warm bread, oh what a treat. A pot of soup all rich and bright, filling the air with golden light though. Heavy and bouncy, easy for kids to sing along. He found some carrots, fresh and sweet, with soft warm bread, oh what a treat. A pot of soup all rich and bright, filling the air with golden light. Now, heavy, stir it up, mixed with love, a gift from friends and God above. Warm and tasty, full of cheer, the best of meals when friends are near. Majesty sound made baby with chimes, his eyes went wide. Oh my, Milo, what a delight. Milo purred, his heart so free. Food is love, you see. Lively, uplifting, feeling blue. A meal with love will comfort you.